guys, it's Jenny. So today I'm doing a vlog for you guys, which I'm really excited about. I haven't done one of these before. I actually filmed this clip after I went to Billingsgate, which you'll see in a second. I'm also going to the Whitstable Oyster Festival, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, I got the dogs here. I haven't introduced you guys to my dogs. This is Biko and Cooper. Guys, enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So we just came back from the Oyster Festival and we are so tired. So tired because we went Billingsgate this morning, and the drive, it was about an hour drive. Yeah.
What did you think of it?
It was good. I think the time we went was peak time. It was about 12:30, so it was quite busy when we got there. But other than that, it was good. Probably won't take the dogs next time though, because it was a bit overwhelming and it was quite crowded and everything, and just trying to do too many things at once. So yeah, but overall it was good. I recommend it.